The Hummer is a name that almost everyone knows. It used to be a symbol of giant, gas-drinking trucks that were tough, but not very practical for daily life. But as we move into 2026, the Hummer has returned in a way that is completely different. It is no longer a gas guzzler. Instead, it is a high-tech supertruck powered entirely by electricity. The new GMC Hummer EV is not just a car. It is a massive engineering project that shows how far technology has come. From driving sideways like a crab to accelerating faster than a sports car, this new monster is designed to dominate both city streets and the wildest off-road trails. The Hummer story began in the late 1970s when the US military needed a new vehicle that could go anywhere. The result was the Humvee. It became famous during the Gulf War, and people loved its tough look so much that they wanted to drive one on regular roads. Famous actors like Arnold Schwarzenegger helped make the civilian version, the Hummer H1, a massive hit. Later came the H2 and H3, but as gas prices went up and people started caring more about the environment, the brand was shut down in 2010. Now, GMC has brought it back as an electric vehicle, EV, turning its biggest weakness, wasting fuel, into its biggest strength. Silent, clean, and incredible power. Incredible speed and power. It is hard to believe that a vehicle weighing over 9,000 pounds, about the same as 2 or 3 regular cars, can move as fast as the Hummer EV does. The top-tier version has 3 electric motors that produce 1,000 horsepower. One of its most famous features is a special mode called Watts to Freedom, WTF. When you turn this on, the car prepares itself for a launch. The suspension lowers the car closer to the ground. The speakers play a futuristic rumbling sound, and the seats even vibrate to build excitement. When you let go of the brake, the Hummer shoots from 0 to 60 mph in about 3 seconds. That is faster than many Ferraris and Lamborghinis. It is a strange and thrilling feeling to see such a huge machine move that quickly. Off-road magic, the CrabWalk. The new Hummer is packed with technology that makes it feel like it's from a science fiction movie. The most talked about feature is CrabWalk. Most cars only turn their front wheels, but the Hummer can turn all 4 wheels at the same time. In CrabWalk mode, the rear wheels turn in the exact same direction as the front wheels. This allows the giant truck to move diagonally. This isn't just a party trick. If you are off-roading and get stuck between big rocks or trees, CrabWalk helps you slide out sideways without having to do a difficult 20-point turn. It is also helpful in tight city parking lots, where a vehicle this size would normally have a lot of trouble moving around. Along with this, it has an extract mode, which uses air suspension to lift the entire car up by 6 inches, helping it climb over boulders or through deep water that would stop any other car. A giant battery for a giant car. Because it is so big and powerful, the Hummer EV needs a massive amount of energy. It uses a special Ultium battery pack that is essentially 2 batteries stacked on top of each other. This battery is one of the largest ever put into a passenger vehicle. Charging speed. Even though the battery is huge, you won't have to wait all day to charge it. It uses an 800-volt system that supports 350 kWh fast charging. If you find a powerful charger, you can add 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Driving range. On a full charge, the pickup version can go about 350 miles, while the SUV version goes about 314 miles. While it uses a lot of energy because of its weight, the range is still enough for long road trips. Mobile power. The Hummer can also act as a giant backup battery. It can provide power to other electric cars if they run out of juice, or it can run tools and lights if you are camping in the middle of nowhere. Inside, the Hummer EV feels very different from the old cramped H1. It is full of screens and high-quality materials, but it still feels tough. There are 2 large screens, one for the driver's gauges and a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen in the middle. The graphics on these screens were actually made using the same technology as modern video games, Unreal Engine, so they look incredibly smooth and detailed. One of the coolest parts of the interior is the infinity roof. The roof is made of 4 sky panels that are transparent but tinted. You can actually take these panels off and store them in the front trunk, the frunk. This turns the Hummer into a giant convertible, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air while you drive through the woods or down the highway. Why does this matter in 2026? As we look at the car market in 2026, the Hummer EV represents a big change. For a long time, people thought electric cars had to be small and boring. The Hummer proves that an electric car can be the most capable, exciting, and monster-like vehicle on the road. It is a status symbol for people who want the latest technology, but it is also a real tool for people who love the outdoors. While the price is high, starting around $100,000 to over $150,000 for the best models, it is selling well because there is nothing else like it. It has paved the way for other electric trucks like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Tesla Cybertruck. The Hummer EV has successfully taken a legendary name from the past and plugged it into the future. Whether you love it for its speed, its off-road tricks, or its massive size, there is no denying that the Hummer is back, and it is louder and quieter than ever.